Welcome to the ASP.NET Web Forms step-by-step series designed specifically for absolute beginners who want to learn web forms the right way from the ground up. In this series, you will master key topics like the web forms page lifecycle, working with the server control, understanding code behind the structure, managing state, and accessing data using SQL. Whether you are a complete beginner, a student preparing for interviews, or a developer transitioning from other technologies, this series is perfect for you. Each video is hands-on with live code, practical examples, and project-based learning to help you apply what you learn instantly. Don't forget to subscribe to ASP.NET and SQL Academy and turn on notifications so you never miss a video in this beginner-friendly web form series. Welcome to this introduction to ASP.NET Web Forms. ASP.NET Web Forms is a framework designed for building dynamic and interactive web applications. It simplifies development with an event-driven model that lets developers respond to user actions like button clicks and drop-down selections with ease. Web forms provide rich design time support using drag and drop controls in Visual Studio. You can easily build UIs with minimal HTML knowledge. It also offers features like view state, session, and cookies for maintaining state across requests. ASP.NET Web Forms is ideal for building internal enterprise applications, especially when teams have experience with event-driven programming like WinForms. It's also great for rapid prototyping of form-heavy applications. Understanding the page lifecycle is crucial in web forms. From the init phase to the unload phase, each step offers hooks for customizing page behavior. Controls raise events during this cycle, enabling a highly interactive experience. In web forms, everything is event driven. You write logic in response to events like button click, making it feel similar to Windows Forms development. This model separates user interface code from business logic effectively. ASP.NET Web Forms uses the .aspx file for markup and the .aspx.cs or .aspx.vb file for logic. This clear separation of concerns helps keep your project organized and your code more maintainable. One of the challenges in the web development is maintaining state across HTTP requests. Web Forms handles this with mechanisms like view state, which stores control data between postbacks and session or cookies for storing user specific information. Web Forms offers a variety of built-in server controls. These includes form elements like text boxes and buttons, as well as powerful data-bound controls like grid view and repeater, which simplify data display and manipulation. Form validation is made easy in web forms through dedicated validator controls like required field validator, range validator, and compare validator. These offer both client side and server side validation for robust form handling. Master pages in ASP.NET Web Forms allow you to define a common site layout like headers, navigation, and footers in one place. This layout is reused across different pages, ensuring consistency and reducing repetition. You can connect web forms to databases using ADO.NET or declarative data controls like SQL data source. Grid view, in particular, makes it simple to display, sort, and paginate records with minimal code. Deploying web forms application is straightforward. You can publish them to IIS on premises or host them on Azure App Services. Visual Studio provides built-in tools for one-click deployment. While Web Forms offers a rapid development experience, modern frameworks like MVC and Blazor provide more control and better testability. Web Forms is still relevant for legacy apps and internal enterprise solutions. ASP.NET Web Forms runs on the classic .NET framework, making it perfect for Windows-based enterprise applications. It supports a huge ecosystem of libraries, components, and developer tools. To summarize, ASP.NET Web Forms provide a fast, event-driven way to build web applications with minimal effort. It is perfect for form-centric applications and remains a solid choice in Windows-based enterprise environments. Thank you for watching this detailed introduction to ASP.NET Web Forms. I hope you now have a solid understanding of how web forms work and where they fit in today's development landscape. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with the fellow developers. See you in the next video.